Hi all, welcome you to our channel Food for Baby. Today I am back with a new video. This video is for the mothers whose babies are not willing to eat vegetables. Here I have taken snake gourds. This is very nutritious food. Definitely your baby will love eating vegetables like this way. So first cut snake gourd into circles like this. And remove the seeds and whatever inside in the circles. So now let's prepare the vegetable mixture. You can select vegetables from various colors. Here I have taken carrot, beans, cabbage and pumpkin. You should cut them into very small pieces like this, or you can grate them. So now you can add eggs. Here I have added 2 eggs into it. Mix the vegetables well with eggs. So once it's done, here I add oats powder. I have grinded oats in advance to make oats powder. Adding oats powder helps to make our mixture somewhat thick. So now you can see our mixture is like this. Now I add snake gourd circles into a pan and add our mixture inside them. You should fill the circles with the mixture. Now I'm going to steam boil this mixture. So you can see that they have been boiled. So after boiling, you can take them like this and remove the outside circle. So you can see our food is like this. So you can try this at home and make your little one happy with vegetable recipe. So if you like watching more videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel and also click the bell button for more notifications. So thank you for watching.